Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone actually supports NFC and is unlocked. Open Settings and enable NFC and the sharing feature. Once done, make sure the receiving device also has NFC enabled and stays awake. Remove thick cases because antenna placement matters. Next, locate the file, contact, or URL you intend to share so you don't delay once devices meet. This first stage reduces interruptions and speeds the handshake. It prevents accidental timeouts during the critical tap moment. You now initiate the share by opening the item and selecting Share, then choose NFC or Tap to Beam. Once you say Ready, align the backs of both devices. A vibration or sound typically confirms the devices detected each other. After alignment, watch for an on-screen prompt. Make sure you tap Send or Accept promptly because timeouts occur. While transferring, keep the devices steady and close. Moving them can fail the handshake. When progress completes, you will get a confirmation and the transfer finishes. Finish by checking the receiving app, photos, files, or contacts to confirm the item arrived correctly. If the transfer failed, first re-enable NFC on both devices, restart them and remove any cases. Then retry immediately because quick retries usually succeed. Make sure neither device has battery saver or background data restrictions that block transfers. If problems persist, inspect app permissions for storage and NFC and update system software. Following these steps resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.